Hi, on this episode, I'm going over to Heritage Collection at Seah Street. Standing out here.
So many people.
Alright, so today we are here at Heritage Collection City Hall, and for our staycation itself, it's going to be 3 days and 2 nights. Then, yeah, so
Let's take a look at our room.
okay.
Then your cutleries are here. Cutleries, if you need, your knife set is here.
Okay.
Behind is where you want to wash, if you need to wash a dish. Also washing powder.
Okay.
Okay. And then over here, we have the Apple TV on. Have you used it before?
Roughly yes.
Okay. Then I think we have Netflix already, so you don't have to log in your account.
Okay,
if they ask
sweet.
for if they ask, those movies that need password is 1 2 3 4.
1 2 3 4.
Standard lah.
Okay, can.
Yeah. So anything you can just let me know.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Ken.
Alright, thank you. See you.
Thank you. See you. You can change the aircon temperature if you prefer. Now
Okay. Now we hot.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Over here is the storage area where you have your safe, iron and hair dryer with actually some drawer storage space which is empty, and with a hanger, a closet with a hanger rack, so you can hang your clothes, and there's actually wash basket over here. So there's actually a washing machine area at level 4. So you can actually bring your dirty clothing down to wash, and it's I think it's free. So later we're gonna check it out. Then over here you have your induction cooker, portable induction cooker, and your water boiler and toaster. So knife set is actually over here. Actually there's water jug over here as well. Then extra serviette roll, microwave oven up here, and many other pots and pans at the inside this cupboard itself. So okay, let's move on. So this cupboard contains all those utensils and can opener and stuff. Then they provide a mini torchlight. So yeah, so there's actually 46-liter fridge over here with a freezer area compartment on top, and some canned drinks storage over at the side here. So okay, let's move on. And Okay, this is unlocked. Can open them. Okay, then more storage area at the bottom under the sink area. Yeah. Okay, so they actually provide dishwashing liquid and hand soap plus washing powder. So you can actually do your laundry downstairs as mentioned before. So you can do your laundry using dishwashing powder and extra toilet paper and with some glasses, I think. Okay. So moving on over here. Okay, the door is open. Okay, here we have our washroom area with typical standard toilet bowl, and actually there's a bidet here also. So yeah. Then shower area at the side here as well, with actually a rain shower. And yeah, they actually provide us with the shower gel and shampoo. Yeah, shower gel and shampoo. Yeah, so that's all for the bathroom area. Let's move towards that side, over to the study area. Yeah, the workplace, sorry, not study area but workplace. So over here at the workplace itself, above you will find actually all the plates and cups at the top. Then you have a desk over here with the Wi-Fi router at the corner over there, and ironing board at the side. Okay, let's move up to the second level. So this is the second level where you find the bed itself. I think it's queen size, I guess. Yeah, the aircon is also above. And okay, over here in this compartment over here, there's actually Apple TV that is actually provided. They actually gave us their Netflix account, so we can actually watch Netflix without logging into my personal account, which is actually a very good service. So hardly hotel ever does that. Then there's actually more storage space over here, where I believe that you can actually fit 2 backpacks inside there. So it's actually a very good design. And you got more storage space over here with a plug, electrical plug over here as well. Yeah, so the TV itself in this room is actually a 32-inch TV, a Toshiba 32-inch TV, and yeah, so the bed is pretty comfy lah. Other than the aircon that sounds like a fish tank. Yes. So yeah, everything else is actually pretty good, other than the aircon. Yeah, I think the aircon needs to be fixed. Plus, yeah, my head on this thing. Yeah, my head on this thing. Yeah, it's pretty short. Ow. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's all for the room tour, and yeah. Alright, here we are at the laundry area at level 3. They have actually a dryer, washing machine over here, and actually there are another 4 more machines actually here, 4 washing machines actually here. The operating hour for this laundry itself is from 8 AM to 10 PM, as there are actually surrounding rooms around this area, so they want to minimize the noise level at this level itself. Okay, today we are going to cook aglio olio with smoked duck breast using the induction cooker over here and the oven at the top.
Now Kenny is trying to make us a meal. So Kenny is chopping up garlic to cook aglio olio.